Today we'll be coding to convert decimal number to binary number. Now it's a very useful code because often we need to check the binary of a decimal number. Let's get started. So n equals to input enter decimal. We're taking the input which is in string by default in Python, then we're converting into integers. Take a temporary variable which equals to n. Now by num, which is will be storing the binary digits, and it's an empty list. Okay. Now while the n is greater than 0, we are taking temp equals to n because n will be getting 0 by the end of the loop. So we are storing it in a temporary way, in a variable known as temp. Okay. Now carry is equals to n mod 2. So I'll be actually explaining the entire code with an examples also, so it will be much easier to understand it. Okay, so binary num dot append, we're appending it, the carry, and n equals to n divided by 2. Now binary number dot reverse, the binary equivalent of the code of that number is. Okay, and we are writing at a start to print the list, to print the elements of that list. Okay, 5 is 101 for 17. Okay, this is working. Now let me explain what I did in the code. Okay, so first suppose let me take 5. Okay, now temporary is equals to temp is equals to 5. In this case the carry will be 5 mod 2. Here it is 1. If you the remainder is 1, and so obviously the in the list we will add this 1, and now we'll divide it by 2. So we will be getting this as 2. Okay, then the next number will be 2. Then 2 mod 2 is 0. Then the next binary digit is 0. Okay, we are storing the it in binary number because that's why we are appending. Okay, now 2 mod 2 is 1. Then again 1 is 1 mod 2 is 1. Okay, remainder is 1. So digit will be now 101. So 1 divided by 2 is 0. So this will end the loop. Okay, and so here it is the binary form of 5, that is 101. So the binary equivalent of 5 is 101.